Do you need protein supplement as soon as you hit the gym? Has your trainer asked you to pump up your protein intake? In today's video, we're going to talk all about protein. Do you really need the protein supplement? And when should you take protein supplement? So a lot of people reach out asking me that I'm going to start working out in the gym. Please suggest which protein supplement can I take, which protein shake can I take, which protein bar can I take. So today we need to talk about what is the necessity to take a protein supplement and why should you take so much of protein when you're working out. First and foremost, please understand that consuming protein does not convert to increase in muscle mass, nor does it destroy the fat and help you to change it to muscle. Yeah, so please understand that protein is not directly creating your muscle. Just eating extra protein does not convert to muscle. You build a muscle in the gym, and the protein which you ingest works like a cement and makes the brick of your muscle stronger. So you need protein to take care of the muscles that you're building in the gym and not really build a muscle with the protein. Yeah, so you need protein for your muscles to stay strong. Protein helps in repairing. Of course, it helps in repairing your muscles. It helps to take care of the wear and tear that you go through while you're working out, while you're lifting weight. It also helps you recover post your workout. So from that aspect, it's a very, very important macronutrient. It's a very, very important macronutrient of your daily diet. But just because you're lifting weight, just because you're working out in a gym does not call for additional concentration of protein from supplement. Yeah. So the rule of the thumb is that 1 gram per kg body weight is what is needed for a normal person when it comes to protein. And if you are in bodybuilding, then anywhere from 1.2 grams to 2 grams of per kg body weight protein is needed. Now, it is definitely very easy for non-vegetarians to get it from their dietary sources and not really depend on a supplement. And it's not impossible for vegetarians and vegans also to get this from their diet sources. So then, who needs the protein supplementation? Protein supplementation is typically for people who are lifting very heavy and need a very high amount of protein for their recovery, for their muscles to get repaired. So it's needed for those people. Also, if you're working out hard and you still have a poor appetite, if you still don't eat properly, is when you may want to look at a protein supplement, but not when you're able to eat well through the day, when you're able to add good amount of protein in your diet. You don't really need a protein supplement. Protein, also understand, is not a compulsion. Like I said, you build a muscle in the gym and protein helps you to keep that muscle strong. So how do you get your protein? As long as you're including meat, eggs, pulses, dairy, soy, all of this is a part of each of your meal. You will get enough and more protein without supplementing it through a powder or a shake or a pill. Also, please understand that overconsumption of protein, which is more than 30% of your diet, can actually be harmful to you than of a benefit. So make sure that you're taking it in moderation and not really going heavy. Also, if it's too much of protein in your diet, like I said, it can be harmful. It can also, amount to gaining weight, which you definitely don't want when you're working out in the gym. So make sure that you're watching out your diet, make sure that you're adding good source of protein in your diet, and you don't really need a supplement. Have any more questions related to this? Do you really want to know if you're meeting your protein intake on daily basis, if you're able to get good source of protein? Any questions related to such topics, put them in the comment section and I will answer them for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll talk again. Bye-bye.